Introduce features interest of AZDOME PG02S 2.5K mirror dash cam. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. AZDOME PG02S mirror dash cam adopts upgraded chip technology, which can fulfill full HD video resolution up to 1440p front camera and 1080p rear camera with dual 170-degree wide angle. Either way is able to deliver super sharp videos. User-friendly UI interface is easy to operate with fast responsiveness. Upgrade the version with voice control. Smart voice control makes it a lot easier to control dash cam, giving the need for hands-free access while driving, offering you a safe, comfortable driving environment. Voice commands: open recording, turn off display, turn off recording, lock the video, take picture, show front camera, show rear camera. AZDOME PG02S rear-view dash camera supports the simultaneous display of front and rear view images on the screen so that you can observe the dynamics of the front and rear of the vehicle in real time while driving. GPS function can help to record real-time location, current driving track and driving speed, bringing you a safer driving experience. The mirror view camera adopts the advanced Sony Sensor with featuring high sensitivity. Super night vision function can capture clear videos with enhanced details in low light conditions. WDR function protects your eyes from strong or weak light in dark, which clearly shows car plates number, road signs, and others. The rear view mirror camera's loop recording can continuously record every detail in the driving process of the vehicle, locked and save the accident video, provides proof in case of an accident claim. Switch parking assistance function: the screen image will display park assist lines. You can manually adjust the display range either up or down to reach the best field of view. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.